Welcome to the Beginner Python Fundamentals. I am so excited you are here. If you're the type of person that wants to know how basic programming concepts are utilized in video game development, you're in the right place. This playlist is the ultimate guide for absolute beginners. In this playlist, you will learn the fundamentals you need to know to make games with Python. In this playlist, you will learn Python syntax or the rules, variables, getting input from users, data types, data structures, control flows or the logic of the game, loops, functions, comments, operators, error handling, modules and packages. Now before we log off here, I want to answer one question. Why Python? Well, that's a good question, and I want to explain it to you right here. So there are many reasons to choose Python to make games with or any other type of program with. And I've listed out about 7, and I'm going to read through them right now. Well, first off, it's highly readable. It reads like English. And it takes minimal setup to get a working program. You can even write a program with 1 line of code. That's how little it takes to get set up with Python. It's also dynamically typed, meaning you don't have to tell the computer that you want your health to be a number, right? And it's highly versatile. It is used for many different types of applications within the industry. Some of those would be data analysis, machine learning, AI, web development, database management, and what we're going to be talking about on this channel, which is games. It's also really good for career relevance because it's good for beginners to get into and understand the computer programming concepts easily to get it going fast. It also has a huge community, meaning that you could go on any social media website, type in a group, like a Facebook group or something, and you can find thousands of groups with millions of people in them that will help you out with any problem that you would have using the Python language. And if those aren't good enough reasons to convince you why Python is good for beginners like you, here are some of the biggest tech companies that use them. So check this out. You got Amazon, you got Dropbox, Spotify, Netflix, Uber, Reddit, Pinterest, Meta, or Facebook, formerly known as Facebook, and even Google has been known to use Python even in their early days when they were first starting out for like their search algorithm. And those are my 7 reasons why I think that you should choose Python as a beginner. Now there are many other reasons that we can add into there, but I just added 7 so that it wouldn't make this video too long. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this playlist. Like, subscribe, and toggle that little notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And go ahead and add this playlist to your watch later list so that you can go back to it nice and easily. Now, pull up your sleeves and crack your knuckles. Got one. And get ready for the first video in this playlist where you will get to write your very first program. I'll see you there. Thanks again.